Happy 250th birthday to America. And as a veteran myself, I want to say thank you to all who have served in the military. You are greatly appreciated. Thank you for your service, guys. And let's get into it. Hey, y'all, welcome to Face Bakery. Today, I am going to show you how to do this easy, simple, no bake cheesecake, no oven, no problem, guys. As you see here, we started with 2 blocks of cream cheese. It's 8 ounce blocks of cream cheese, along with some Eagle brand sweet milk, not condensed milk, but sweet milk. And we're going to use that whole can, guys, along with about a tablespoon or two of some vanilla extract and about half of a lemon juice from a lemon. About half of that lemon we're going to use. Now you can use more or less, it's totally up to you. Them are the only, let me see, 4 ingredients that you will need to make this no-bake cheesecake. That again is some cream cheese, some lemon juice, vanilla extract, and 1 can of sweet milk. And you're gonna get your mixer and you're gonna whip this thing until it's real nice and smooth and it gets a nice little stiff peak, just some real smooth light, so like that, as you can see here by the texture of this. And that is honestly, this is pretty much it. That is pretty much it. Just that quick. We are already done with your cheesecake mixture. Now you would take your pie crust and you're gonna go ahead and open that and start layering in your cheesecake. Guys, as you can see here, look at it. It's so creamy and smooth, y'all. And I tell you, the flavor is magnificent, guys. But you're gonna put all of that in there just like that, and you're just gonna rub it all into its place, smooth it, even it out, layer it just like you would a regular cake. You just gonna smooth it out and place all of it exactly where you want it to be, a nice smooth cake. Now you can stop right here, or you can go ahead and add toppings, because this is a celebration for America's 250th birthday. I decided to go with red, white, and blue, with the cheesecake being white, some red strawberry jam, which is homemade, and I'm going to have that video posted and uploaded here soon. But I'm adding my homemade strawberry jam, and then I'm going to add my homemade blueberry jam that I made probably a couple of weeks ago. I jarred and canned that particular jam. I did not can my strawberry jam, but I did can my blueberry jam, which you see here. It was canned, I believe it said on the 4th of June, which was not too long ago. You know, when you do can your foods, it lasts quite some times. It can last up to a year or more if you are using the proper canning methods. Now, y'all, I could have left it like this. I should have. I'm over here trying to be real fancy and like, let me see if I can get some swirls in there. Let me swirl it out, and as you can see, woo, no swirls. So we just decided to go ahead and go rub it out. Let's gonna just smooth it out. It's all right. It's okay. Y'all already know the theme right now: red, white, and blue, strawberry, blueberry cheesecake, or a berry cheesecake. And here I go trying to swirl it again, and it was a fail. And I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know if I'm trying to give it a little swoop What? But y'all, in the end, I just ended up just moving it out. Now, after you finish with your toppings, you do want to let this sit in the refrigerator for about 4 to 8 hours, or preferably overnight, so that it can go ahead and try to stiffen up a little bit more. Now, I do tell you, unlike the oven baked cheesecake, this no-bake cheesecake is not going to be super stiff. However, it is still very quality and wow, have the most magnificent flavoring. We in my family, we have been making this cheesecake for years. It is actually my favorite dessert. I've been having it since I was a kid. My aunt gave me this recipe, and I've been making it for my family ever since, and they love it. I tell you, they love it. Again, this was a cheesecake made for America's 250th birthday, y'all. 250th birthday, because that is a birthday worth celebrating, guys. Freedom is not free. If someone fought for us all to be free, and that is something that we all should be celebrating here on American soil. So now we're finna get the looky loo of this cheesecake here. Right now I'm trying to decide on how I was gonna cook it, guys. I do tell you, I am not the best at cutting desserts. I am not the best, but just like the military has taught me, we're gonna get in there and we're gonna make it do what it do. The best or not, we're gonna make the best of what we have. Now, as you see here, I was a specialist in the military. I served 5 years, and it was a wonderful time. I did get out towards the end because I started to start my family. I had gotten married and I had a child, and at that point, I wanted to move on to my next calling, which was to focus on my family. Now, you guys seen me cut that pie up, and I went in multiple times with that knife just for the bottom of that crust still not to come out. Ain't that something? But that's okay. That's okay, guys, because you see, if you look inside that pie itself, you see that that pie is firm and stable enough. But without the bottom, it's going to be just like that. But watch what we finna do here. We finna go ahead and take that bottom of that crust, and we're gonna garnish this cheesecake with it. And then you're gonna see that cheesecake you was looking at here in the beginning of this video. Y'all, if you don't mind, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this video. Tell me, what are you looking forward to here next? Also, guys, tell me, what are the things that you are grateful for, or that you think that you have the privilege to have here in America, that you don't think would be a privilege in another country. And for that, guys, I am pretty much done. If I have anything else to say, I will be back. You know what? We're already at the end of this video, so I really don't have to go on too much further, besides to tell you again, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I am trying to do daily uploads for you. I'm gonna do my best. Hey, salute to you. Bye.